Hi, my name is Padmavati and I'm from Computer Science Department. My register number is UR15CS363. And I'm here to explain about the database program. Starting with the SQL, we have to create a table, that is the create table customer ID. So the question is like we have to create the five tables: customer, order line, product, and supplier. So first of all, we'll create the customer table. Starts like for creating the customer table, we'll be like create table customing. The customer ID, customer name, and customer address, city, state, PSTAL code is required. So the customer ID number, customer name, the customer name is like string. So the varchar is given. So the customer address is also varchar, and a value is assigned for that. City is a varchar and state is a varchar, and PSTL code is a number. So you have to assign each and every values, and if you keep enter, the table will be created. Next, we should excuse me, create the table customer with primary key constraints. So to create the with primary key constraints, so alter table customing add constraint, that is the primary key for the customer ID. The code is given, and then if we keep enter, the table will be altered, and then create table order details. That is, we have to create the second table, that is order. So we have to order ID, order date, customer ID, and the next table will be order line. The table will be created for the order. Then the order line will be order ID number, product ID number, ordered quantity number. So if you give enter, the table will be created. And then SQL create table product, that is the product ID number, product description number, then a product finish number, and product line number is required. So then if you give enter, the table will be created. And then the product supplying table is created by ID number, name, gender, and date, the product ID number, and ordered quantity and rating number, and then the table is created again. So next we have to add foreign key reference to the customer ID attributes. That is alter table, order details, and add constraint for the foreign key. The keyword will be HL foreign key, and the keyword will be DT for the product ID number, for the primary key. And then we have to change for the customer ID attribute. So we have to give HL foreign key for the customer ID references, customing, that is the customer ID, and if you give enter, the table will be altered. And then SQL alter table, that is the order details. The next will be the modify the attribute product finish in the product table to the product material, that is from the product table to the product material. So alter table order details, add constraint, the table product rename column, that is the product finishing should be changed from product material. Should the name product finish should change from the name product material, and then this code is used, then the table will be altered. Next, add attribute called price in the order line table. So to add that, alter table order lines, add price number. So we should add the price number to the order line. So this will be the code, and then the table will be altered again. And then add a check constant to order quantity column and check the content is above 5. So alter table order quantity modified order quantity number to null check, that is the order quantity should be greater than 5. So if he gives this, and the table will be altered again, and then rename order line to order quantity. So alter table order line to order quantity, and it is renamed, and the table will be altered. The keyword rename is used to rename order line to order quantity. And next, add supplier address column to the supplier table. So order supplying and supplier address varchar, and then the table will be altered. Now now describe all the tables. So we should describe all the tables. While describing all the table, it is used like um, describing table customer. The table customer is created, then descending order details. The order detail is created, and descending order lines. The order lines is order lines will be created, order line table is created, and then descending producting producting table will be created, and then at last will be the supplying table, and the supplying table will also be created. So this is how we describe all the tables, and then add primary constraints to all the tables. So add a table, we should give constraints like LO, PO, FT, HY, and then we have to modify the data type or data type of rating to decimal. So we have to modify, that is modify the rating number, and then add a not null constraint. So this is how we add a not null constraint, and to the customer name and customer address. So both we have to add. Now drop the column supplier address in the supplier table. So the producting and the constraint will be dropped in the product material, and then drop the table order. The code will be like alter table, producting dot constraint that is given here, and truncate the tables. So this is how we truncate the table. So each table will be truncated by drop table order details. That is a truncate table customing, truncate tables order quantity, truncate table producting, truncate table supplying, and truncate table order quantity. So table truncated, and you have to finish it by giving commit and commit semicolon, and then the commit will be completed, and then we'll give spool off to uh, save the program, and hence it is verified and the output is verified. Thank you.